Look at this. 2.3 million stone blocks. Each one weighs as much as a car. The biggest weigh 80 tons. That's a battle tank. They were cut, moved, lifted 146 meters high to build the tallest building on Earth for 3,800 years. And they did it 4,500 years ago, before the wheel, before iron tools, with nothing but copper, sand, and water. This is the Great Pyramid of Giza, and everything you think you know about how it was built is wrong. 2560 BC, Egypt. Pharaoh Khufu rules. In Egyptian religion, you don't just die. Your body has to survive forever so your soul can return. So Khufu needs a tomb, but not any tomb. A machine to launch him to the stars, a stairway for the gods to notice him. The plan, 146 meters tall, 230 meters per side, 13 acres, flat to within 2 centimeters, aligned to true north within 0.05 degrees. To put that in perspective, the iPhone 15 is flat to 0.1 millimeters. The pyramid base is flatter over 230 meters, and they had to do it with Bronze Age tech. No computers, no lasers, no steel, just copper that's softer than the stone they're cutting. First myth, slaves built it. Wrong. We found the workers' village, 20,000 people. They had bakeries, breweries, medical care. Graffiti says friends of Khufu. These were paid crews. Second myth, they used alien tech. Also wrong. They used physics. Here, the trick. Copper is soft, Mohs 3. Granite is Mohs 6. You can't cut granite with copper, but you can grind it. They used copper saws, but the cutting edge was quartz sand. Sand is Mohs 7, harder than granite. The copper just holds the sand. Water keeps it in the cut. Archaeologists tested it. With a 2-man copper saw and sand, they cut 12 centimeters into granite in 1 hour. At that rate, 2.3 million blocks in 20 years equals 1 block every 2 to 3 minutes. The math works. Quarry 800 meters away. Limestone for 99% of blocks. But the King's Chamber, 60 blocks of granite, 80 tons each. From Aswan, 800 kilometers south. They floated them on the Nile during flood season, 50-man boats, then dragged them 10 kilometers from river to Giza. How? Sleds. And water. 2014 study proved pouring water on sand in front of a sled cuts friction 50%. 1 man can pull 1 ton. Cutting it is one thing. Lifting 2.5 tons 100 meters in the air is another. How? Ramps. We found the ramp at the Hatnub Quarry, 4,500 years old, 20% grade, post holes for sleds. This is the smoking gun. 3 theories. 1. Straight ramp. Problem would be 1.6 kilometers long, more material than pyramid. 2. Spiral ramp. Cuts material 90%. Problem, can't turn corners with 10-meter blocks. 3. Internal ramp. 1986 French scan found spiral anomaly. 2017 Muon scan confirmed voids. The pyramid might be hollow inside with a ramp. Best guess, straight ramp to 50 meters, then spiral ramp to 100 meters, then internal ramp for top 46 meters, plus levering. Herodotus wrote machines made of short wooden pieces, shadoufs, levers. 1 man can lift 1 ton with a 10-to-1 lever. Grand Gallery inside is 47 meters long, 8 meters high, 26-degree slope. Perfect for counterweight system. Drop 2 tons, lift 2 tons. King's Chamber, 5 granite ceilings. Each weighs 400 tons. They spread the load so it doesn't crush the room, still holding after 4 earthquakes. No mortar used. Blocks are so precise you can't fit a credit card between them. Expansion joints handle heat. Built to last forever. And it has. 3 things still unsolved. 1. The precision. Base is level to 2 centimeters. How? They dug a grid of channels filled with water. Water is always level. Cut rock to waterline. Perfect. 2. North alignment within 3 arc minutes. Better than meridian building at Greenwich. How? Fall equinox. Stick in ground. Mark shadow at sunrise and sunset. Line between equals east-west. Perpendicular equals north. 3. The casing stones. It was covered in white Chira limestone. Polished. Blinding in sun, seen from 100 kilometers. Earthquake 1303 knocked them loose. Locals used them to build Cairo, only a few left at base. So no aliens, just 20,000 humans, with time, math, and insane project management. Project took 20 years. Khufu ruled 23 years. He started year 2, died year 23. Finished just in time, cost today $5 billion in labor alone. But they didn't pay wages. They paid in food, beer, housing. GDP of Egypt for 20 years. And here's the kicker, we can't build it today for $5 billion, not with that precision. We'd use cranes and lasers and still be off by 10 centimeters. It survived 4,500 years of earthquakes, erosion, tomb robbers, and tourists. Will Burj Khalifa last 4,500 years? No, concrete fails after 100. The Great Pyramid isn't just a tomb. It's a message. We were here, and we were good at math. So next time someone says aliens built the pyramids, show them this. Copper, sand, water, ramps, levers, and 20,000 people who showed up every day for 20 years. That's more impressive than alien. That's human. The Great Pyramid, 2.3 million blocks, built by hand, still standing. Which megastructure should I explain next? The Three Gorges Dam that slowed the Earth, or Fort Knox that no one's seen since 1953? Comment below. Subscribe for more. Because the past was crazier than the future.